Protect your anonymity and the anonymity of your cryptocurrency assets with the help of BestMixer.io. BestMixer is a truly anonymous cryptocurrency mixer, a service which makes it impossible to track your transactions within cryptocurrency network. When you send your coins to BestMixer.io, you deposit them in the general pool. In their place, you receive absolutely new set of coins, which are impossible to track. In order to be able to use the service, you don't need an account, a password, or an email address. Everything is incredibly simple and easy to understand. Here's how it works. Simply press the Start Mix button and select the cryptocurrency you want to mix. If you have already used the service BestMixer.io before, enter your BestMixer code, which you received at the first mix. This is a guarantee that you will not receive your previous coins back, and you will also increase our personal discount. If it is your first mix, simply leave the field blank. Enter the recipient's address to which you would like to send anonymized coins. You can enter 2 or more addresses as an additional security measure. When doing so, you can adjust percentage distribution of funds between the specified addresses. Select the assets type to mix. BestMixer supports 3 types of assets. Each one of them has its own unique qualities. Alpha Pool consists of assets belonging to other clients. Beta Pool is formed by large transactions of alpha pools, private system assets, and investors' funds. Gamma Pool contains exclusively private assets and investors' coins. Specify payment delay. The approximation is within a minute for each address. Make sure that the mix power indicator is either green or blue. If it is not, try tweaking the mix settings, following the indicator recommendations. For preliminary coin amount calculations, press the Show Commission Calculator button. When you have adjusted all the settings and are ready for the next stop, press the button Continue. Please read and agree with the terms of service. Then click the Mix My Coins button. Now you are viewing your order page. First, you need to download the guarantee letter and save your BestMixer code. Detailed information about the guarantee letter and the purpose of the BestMixer code can be found in the FAQ. Send your coins to the specified incoming address. Follow the status of your order. When the assets are deposited and all the conditions of mixing are met, the new coins will be transferred to the address you specified, and your anonymity will remain secure. Stay safe with BestMixer.io.